Are you having problems with Venmo added card not showing up and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just exit your Venmo app, and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So open up your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And on this page, scroll down just a little bit until you can see where it says general. So click on general, and then you should be taken to this page right here. Now scroll down a little bit again, and then you're going to click where it says storage. So click on storage, and unfortunately sometimes for some of you this might take a couple of seconds or maybe a couple of minutes for this page to be able to be loaded completely. For me it's just going to be a couple of seconds, and afterwards we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to find the Venmo app, because in there we're going to be able to actually fix this issue. So just scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can find the Venmo app. So click on the Venmo app now, and then you're going to click on Offload app, and then once again click on Offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. I'm just going to exit this one. As you can see, it says like this, loading. What will happen now is that my Venmo app will now be automatically updated to the latest version. So wait for it to be automatically updated. This will not, by the way, or this should not log out your account if you were already logged in into your Venmo before. So go back to your Venmo app when this is done and see if it's now showing. If it's still not showing, this is actually now a serious problem then. Then it's not a Venmo related app issue. And then what you're going to do, you're going to contact the support instead. So you need to contact the support. So go into your Venmo account and then click on help or support. You're going to click there, and then you're going to actually contact support and explain to them this situation, because then they are the only ones that can actually help us to fix this issue.